are currently on Ilford Lane, approaching the roundabouts. Going to follow the sign towards Romford. This is a very popular driving lesson route for barking. ALFIE'S driving school offers expert driving lessons in barking with both manual and automatic driving instructors. Whether you are a complete beginner wanting to learn in barking or you just need some refresher lessons, we have you covered. So as you can see at the roundabout, we're going to follow the sign towards Romford, that being the first exit off to the left. As you can see ahead at the roundabout, there's multiple lanes, so when you approach a roundabout with multiple lanes, it's important to recognise the signposts. Romford indicates it's the A124, and then when we move off, just paying close attention to the road markings. Thanks for watching. Book your driving lessons in barking with ALFIE'S Driving School today. Our slots fill up fast, so get in touch to secure your driving instructor today.